Engineering the new Defender was an incredible thing to do. We had the opportunity to have a blank sheet of paper and just reinvent that authentic capability. The Defender's always been the vehicle that everybody's loved, everybody has cared, and it's always been the vehicle that's helped everybody. At Land Rover, we have the ability to do the unthinkable, to do the impossible. So we made a vehicle that is incredible off-road, and you can see how those physicals shone straight through what we did, and you can see that the car has been engineered with functionality first. We've also pushed the second dimension. The on-road feel is absolutely incredible. The agility of the car is incredible. And the key thing is, it'll put a smile on your face. As an engineering team, we just sat down and we said, we want this car to be the best. So the suspension is so capable. There's 500 millimeters of suspension travel. The vehicle is very short at the front, it's very short at the rear. We've put the spare wheel on the back of the car, so it's absolutely the physicals. And those fantastic 815 millimeter diameter tyres that we've got on that vehicle give a really, really large contact patch, so it treads lightly on all surfaces, and you can drive over absolutely any terrain.